Imagine this. The year is 1700. You're in China and you're about to taste ketchup for the first time. But wait, it's not the sweet and tangy tomato-based sauce you're thinking of. It's actually a fermented fish sauce known as ketchup. That's right, ketchup didn't start with tomatoes at all. It was a savory sauce made from fermented fish. Fast forward to the 1800s, and ketchup as we know it today was born. A Philadelphia scientist named James Mees is credited with the first tomato ketchup recipe. He referred to tomatoes as love apples, which certainly adds a romantic touch to your burger and fries, doesn't it? Now let's not take the humble tomato for granted. Not all tomatoes make the cut for ketchup. The ideal ketchup tomato is firm, ripe, and deep red, with a balance of sweetness and acidity. It's a rigorous selection process, and only the best get to be transformed into this beloved condiment. Once the tomatoes are chosen, they go through a step-by-step process of washing, crushing, and cooking. The tomatoes are then strained to remove seeds and skins, and it's at this point that other ingredients are added. Salt, vinegar, sugar, and spices are all mixed in to create that distinctive ketchup flavor we all know and love. Now that we've explored the journey of ketchup, from a fermented fish sauce in China to a tomato-based delight, it's time to look at its applications. Ketchup is indeed a versatile condiment, and you'll find it gracing the tables of diners and fast food joints alike. It's a staple with fries, burgers, and hot dogs, but also works its magic in more unexpected dishes. And speaking of dishes, how about a quick and easy recipe that shines the spotlight on ketchup? Picture this. A sweet and tangy barbecue sauce slathered over juicy chicken wings. All you need is a cup of ketchup, a quarter cup of honey, a quarter cup of soy sauce, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Combine all the ingredients in a saucepan, bring it to a simmer, and let it bubble away until it thickens. Once your chicken wings are cooked, toss them in the sauce and voila! You've got a finger-licking good dish thanks to the magic of ketchup. So the next time you're reaching for that bottle of ketchup, take a moment to appreciate its journey, from the carefully selected tomatoes to the meticulous process that transforms it into the condiment we can't seem to live without.